Quadrofam really is about a growing organization, everyone coming together to meet the needs of customers in a way that promotes work, passion, and family.
We're here in Palma de Mallorca, Spain for the Quadrotech 2019 kickoff. We come together once a year to collaborate, make plans for the year, and also have a little bit of fun.
My favorite part of the kickoff is always just being able to see the people that I interact with every day and seeing them face to face and spend time with them.
Later today I'm going to be going on a bike ride across the island. We're going to see some of the sights and hopefully I'll be able to keep up with the support band.
I am going to do the spa treatment because I've been walking around for the last 3 days and I really need a massage. Yesterday we had a scavenger hunt and that was pretty fun to engage with people from like the development team that I've never met before. And it gives you that kind of a personal relationship with them where you wouldn't have had it before. So that's definitely my favorite part.
Quadrofam is the collection of incredible individuals who've come together in this organization to create more than a company, but a family. We're focused more on collaboration than competition, which allows us to achieve incredible results for our partners and customers.
Great standby.
Hashtag.